Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Diane and I hope you're all okay. So let's get to it. Hi guys, quick unboxing. This just arrived and I'm doing it in my kitchen, so if there's any background noise I do apologise. Ignore the mess at the background. This is just my working desk in the kitchen. But this is Tracy's fault from Mini Scenes. I blame you, Trace. Look what I got. Washi tape stuff. I couldn't resist any longer, so I just ordered a load. So let's have a look what we got. This one, first off, was a freebie because if you spent $60 or more, they gave you, this went into your basket free of charge. So this is a washi tape, but it's really pretty. I'm not sure what I'll do with a washi tape, but it'll be interesting to find out. Right, let's do a quick peel the stick off. But it's months of the year. I thought they were really cute. But that's just some of them. Right, these ones now I did buy all by myself. I did buy myself, not all by myself. But these are all PE tapes now. This one is Florentina wide. Oh, Florentina. They're all wide. What we got? Oh, these are really pretty, aren't they? Trace, what have you done? Something else I've got hooked onto now. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a frame, that one. Oh, wow. These are gilded as well. Look at that. Oh, those are really pretty. Oh, there's that one from up there. Oh, wow. I look forward to using these. Nice. Okay, next is... that's the sticker on the top. This one's called Mushroom Meadow. Isn't the paper pretty as well? The tissue paper's got like sakura flowers. Other people call them sakura flowers. It's the Japanese cherry blossom flowers. Look at that. It's really pretty. Anyway, I got this one because my son loves taking his little one, my grandson, out mushroom foraging. And he just absolutely loves doing that with him, and they both really enjoy it, so it's really cool to get the young ones interested in that kind of thing and knowing what's safe and what's not safe. So, oh, look at those. Wow. Oh, they're so beautiful, aren't they? The colours on them are absolutely amazing. The camera just doesn't do them justice. Oh, I'm really chuffed with that. It's even got a pretty little moth in it there as well. So yeah, them are cool. Right, next, what we got? That's the little sticker on the top. And this one's called Forest Houses. Kind of says it all, doesn't it? Right. Okay, I keep peeling these the wrong way, so maybe I'll get it right this time. Probably not. Oh, I'm no good with stickers. Nope, still done it the wrong way. Look at that side. I must have bet I'll still do it on the next one and get it wrong as well. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at those. Aren't they beautiful? Little houses made out of all sorts of things. Oh, them are cool. Oh, I really like them as well. Super cute. I like that one there. Oops, hold on. This one's really cute. Hurricane lamp. Oh, they're wicked. I love them. Be interesting to see how many different patterns there are on each of these, because I've seen that there's loads on. Every time somebody sees it, it takes forever to get to a repeat. Next up, cats. cat mum. That's what it says on that one there. Right, this one's called Kittylicious. So let's get into this one. Oops, getting stuck in this one. Ha ha ha, funny cats. Look at these funny little fat cats. Fat cats, thin cats, long cats, slim cats, weird cats. What I liked about this one was that it was, you get the black and white cats. Oh, look at that one, a real chunky cat. But then you also, further through, oops, I've got to get round to that so we can see, you actually get them in different colours as well. In this colour. But them are really cool. But I do believe they're different. Are they the same or are they different? Can we see any repeats? I don't know. But they're really cool. That's a prison cat, look. He's in his prison uniform. But they were adorable. I love those. And these ones are funny. I've just got to show you this one. Look at that one. Oops, there we go. It's showing you his bottom and his doodahs. Good grief. I thought it was funny. So I'm easily pleased with the silliest of things. Let's go with the floral. I love the colours of this one. I thought it was really pretty. This one's called Pretty Florals. Gosh, kind of coming up with the obvious here, aren't I? Okay, let's get this one out. I just thought the colours were so different on this one to what you normally see. No, it's not actually. That's not right. They're just very vibrant colours. That's what I'm trying to say. It just wasn't coming out right. Oh, come on, off you come. Ah, here we go. Right, look, oh, it's upside down anyway. Oh, that's nice. Looks like it could be possibly Japanese maple, Acer. Could be anything, to be fair, but it's gives that kind of thing to me. Oh, these are beautiful. Really pretty. I love these. I like the reef effect. They're really pretty. Okay, we have 3 more left. So this one is the birds, which is cockatiel. So let's just get into this one. I love cockatiels. We used to have some when we was a kid and they were so noisy, but really cool birds. Loved them. Bill and Ben they were called. Never knew, I can't remember, well, not that I can't remember, I never actually knew why they called them Bill and Ben. Maybe it was just because they were a pair and... Oh, they're so pretty. Look at those. Oh, beetles as well. That's cool. A little bluebird thing. I didn't realise the beetle ones were on here. Oh, they were beautiful. Oh, I love the colour of those ones. They're like a pied, aren't they? Pretty. That looks like a spuggy little sparrow. So that's the cockatiel. And, oh, look at those. Bit more birds. Not quite sure what those are supposed to be. This one's called Spring Serenade. And let's get these out. Oh, that's a pretty one there. Look at that. Can you see that pretty little fella? He's cute, isn't he? Let's get it there. Oh, get it there, she says, and can't even get hold of the tape. Right, there we go. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that one. That one's really pretty. Look at this. This one's gorgeous. Again, I'm not sure what any of these birds are at the moment. Apart from that one up there, which was a little parakeet. Oh, those are blue jay. That's a blue jay. Oh, this is beautiful. Really nice. Oh, dragonfly there. Butterflies. Nice again. One more to go, which is one I'm quite looking forward to seeing because it looked really pretty on the website. And this one If you can see that, that's a pretty little girl playing a violin. And this one's called Garden Glam. Oh, fancy. What do you want? It's not food, cheeks. The dog thinks it's food. Silly doggy. Right, where do we open this one? There. This isn't normally what I would go for, but I just love the pretty dresses on the girls. I don't like dresses normally, but they're very pretty. Can you see this? Look how pretty she is. And then there's the one off the sticker, dancing on her lily pads. And then there's lamps. And they're just such pretty young ladies in beautiful dresses. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying all of these. So again, I blame Tracy. It's your fault, Trace. But I thank you as well, because they really are. You put me in the right mood to finally order them. Thank you. And I'm looking forward to using them. So thanks for stopping by. Hope you'll stop by soon again. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.